Hey, it's Gavin here, and I've got a 7-minute lower ab workout. So we're trying to get this portion of the stomach right in there. That's what we want to try and burn up some of that, get you exercising, get you moving. So are you ready? If so, come down and join me on the mat. Our first exercise is a Russian twist. So we're going to be in this position, leaning back until you feel those abs engage. And let's do this. 50 seconds of work, 10 seconds rest, 7 exercises. Let's go. So we're here, rowing the boat from one side to the other. Now, if you find this too easy, you can lift up your legs, but for the purpose of this workout, I'm gonna keep my feet down. So good control. Let's rock it. Three, 2, 1. Next exercise, reverse crunch. So on your back, lean it back. You have the legs up in the air, and off we go. So just a little lift off the ground, bringing the knees towards the head, and try and switch on your abs as you lift. So just engage them. Okay, bring yourself up, starting to feel it now. Next exercise, bicycles. So again, line on your back, hands towards the temples or the back of the head, but make sure you don't pull on your head. We're here, bringing tummy muscles in, rotate, slow, controlled. You can support your head, but don't pull it up. Here we go, we're looking good. And if you're struggling at all with this movement, push your legs a little bit higher, that's going to help out. And if your neck struggles at all, you can drop it down. But again, we're looking to keep that pedaling movement going. The lower you go down, the more you're going to feel it. Four, 3, 2, and 1. Take it down. Good stuff. Next up, we're going to heel tap. So we're going to bring our shoulders off the ground slightly. We're just going to reach around, touch the heel. Okay, let's do it. Ten seconds. Come on, keep going, keep pushing. All right, rest, 10 seconds. Starting to feel it burn up a little bit. Next up, flutter kicks. If you need to, keep your head down. And we're in this position. Hands under the butt, slightly create a shelf. And we're here. Okay, you can keep your head down if you need to. And again, lift your legs up higher if you're struggling with this move. The lower you go, the harder it's going to be. And if you bring your shoulders off the ground again, it's going to be that touch harder. relax. Woo. All right, 2 more to go. All right, this time we're gonna do a toe touch. So your legs point up, and it's gonna reach towards the toes. But as you reach, try and tense your tummy muscles, get them locked on. It's not fast moving. Try and exhale as you come up. Ten seconds to go. Come on, keep on it. 3, 2, and 1. All right, one more move, and this is a good one because you're gonna get those legs moving as well. So we're up here, in a high plank position. You're gonna hop to the side of the mat and back. Now each hop is gonna engage the abs. So let's keep on it, keep pushing. It's gonna get a little tasty, this one. Fifteen seconds to go. Last few seconds. And relax. So there you have it. 7 minutes. Get those lower abs fired up. Hope you feel that. Make sure you hit that like button, and of course, let me know how that went in the comments below. All right, until next time, take care.